This is part 3 of our sunscreen discussion. So today I want to talk about the labeling of sunscreens because this can be really confusing. So typically a sunscreen is going to be labeled SPF followed by a number. So that SPF stands for skin protection factor, and it's measured by really the amount of time that it takes the skin to develop erythema from the UVB exposure, not the UVA. So these would be the rays that are it's easy to remember UVB, think burning, UVA, think aging. UVA goes deeper, UVB stays closer to the surface. So it measures the amount of time before that UVB erythema develops. So theoretically, this isn't always accurate, but let's say if you go onto the sun unprotected and you turn red within 10 minutes, if you applied an SPF of 20, that would theoretically give you 10 times that amount, so 200 minutes. Now, no sunscreen is going to last that long. We want to reapply every couple of hours in the sun. So it's really a misleading terminology, but it's what we have. And a lot of times too, people will think, well, gosh, if I have the choice between an SPF, 20 or a 40, obviously the 40 is twice as effective. That's not true either. The difference between, a 20 and a 40 or a 30 and a 50 might only be a 1 or 2% change. So the other thing is that, this SPF only measures, like I said, the UVB. So UVA accounts for over 90% of the radiation we're exposed to. It goes deeper in the skin. It's responsible for a majority of aging. It causes cancer. It's extremely dangerous. So we need to make sure we're getting that UVA protection too. So what you want to look for on your label is the term broad spectrum. That means you're getting both UVA and UVB protection. There's too much to discuss in one video, so I will do another video discussing a little bit more about labeling.